In our research, most team members are not achieving their fullest potential, and it's not their fault. Now, almost every leader that I've met throughout my life wants their team to perform at a high level, to be efficient, to accomplish their goals. Yet the reality is most teams are caught up in the whirlwind of competing priorities, of catching up with their emails and the daily grind. Now, the cost of that gap: lower productivity, miscommunication, frustration, and ultimately higher turnover. Now, the good news is you don't have to hire more team members or have them work more hours, but rather you can equip them with a skill set and the tools to prioritize their time and do what matters most. This translates into accomplishing 30 to 50% more every week without working a single hour extra and with less stress. Now, it's true, you could do something in-house, you could give them a book or a podcast, and you could hope that that would move the needle. In our experience, it rarely does. This is why we developed the live Do What Matters Most virtual workshop to cut through all the noise. In other words, your team members can participate in this live virtual workshop in 2 interactive sessions, each only 2 hours, which means they can do this from their office or wherever they're working. And during this workshop, they will get the skill set, the tools, as well as the materials to help them start prioritizing their time and doing what matters most. In other words, they will learn a process and the accompanying habits and tools. You will see an immediate difference in the culture and productivity of your team as you get them aligned, going the same direction, and give each one of them the skill set to start prioritizing their time and do what matters most. So to either enroll yourself, a team member, or your entire team, simply click on the registration link below.
I was having some difficulty in my business with vision, with engagement, and with really getting a laser focus on what to do. And after working with them, the tools and techniques that they're able to teach on getting your mission out, getting your vision, and moving people forward, getting people engaged, getting people excited about what they do, it's unbelievable. I can't recommend this program enough for you personally and for your business.
They have given me specific tools and processes and principles that I can use starting right now to make myself a better person, a better wife, and a better mother.
There are few opportunities in your life where you'll find a gold nugget. This is not just a gold nugget, but a gold mine that will change not only your personal life, your business life, as well as your family life. And I will be forever grateful to Steve and Rob for this life-changing experience.